In this lesson, we will discuss the concept of perfectly elastic and perfectly inelastic demand or supply. Look at these shapes. These are different shapes of quantity demanded, and in blue color we have different shapes of quantity supplied. First of all, let's discuss the quantity demand. Here, this is the case of elastic demand curve, mean when elasticity is greater than 1. This is an example of inelastic demand curve, elasticity is less than 1. This is the case of elasticity is equal to infinity. This is called perfectly elastic demand curve. And here elasticity is equal to 0, perfectly inelastic demand curve. Perfectly inelastic means that for any change in price, quantity demand will not change. And perfectly elastic demand curve means that demand curve becomes horizontal, parallel to x-axis. And it shows that even there is no change in price, the quantity demand changes. Inelastic demand curve and elastic demand curve cases we have already discussed. Same is true for the supply curve. This is when elasticity is greater than 1. We call it elastic supply curve, and when elasticity is less than 1, inelastic supply curve. And this is a perfectly elastic supply and perfectly inelastic supply curve. Elastic, inelastic, perfectly elastic, and perfectly inelastic. That's all in this lesson. Thank you very much.